Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will show you that how can you easily change the grass color in your montage video with After Effects. So let's begin. First, fire up the After Effects. Now create your composition with the dimensions you like. In my case I am choosing 1280 into 720. Now click on OK and then import the video you want to edit. In my case I am choosing Pubg mobile gameplay video. Now drag your imported video in the timeline. You can choose fit to the frame and the transform option in order to fit the video in the frame. Very good, now we have to edit the video. So, what I will do here is that I will change the color of the grass across the box and in the ground to the color I want. For doing it, go to the Effects tab and under the Color Correction section, select Change to Color and then drag the effect in the clip. Very good, now select the pen-like thing beside the From option under the Change to Color section. Now select the grass area with the help of Pen tool. Now you can see that the color of our grass has changed without affecting the rest of the part of the clip. So to make it more interesting and real, increase the hue, saturation as well as lightness of the effect. Well, we can make it more interesting by adding a little bit of curves, so go to the Effects and Presets and choose Curves and drag it into the clip. You can skip it if you are satisfied with the result, so you can just copy my graph. I am increasing a little bit of contrast and adding a little bit of green and blue tone. You can choose whatever you like. So I want to request you that if you are a new viewer then please subscribe my channel for more amazing tutorials. You can also join my Discord server if you want to know the secret of making good montages. Well, our editing is about to finish and we have created a professional montage color grading. You can see the preview. So guys, this is how you can create an awesome grass color change effect in After Effects. Make sure that you subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, because in the next video I will show you that how can you write your own text, or you can paste your own pictures in the wall of Pubg mobile gameplay video like this. Or like this. Well, enough for now. Guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you subscribe the channel for the next tutorial.